I've added a media object to our web page. Our media object contains an image as well as 3 paragraphs of text. We can see that reflected over here in the browser. We have the image along the left-hand side here and then the 3 paragraphs of text. What we want to make happen is our image should grow to fit the available height. So typically this has been done using background images in the past to get this to scale correctly, but we can now use object fit to achieve the same effect while using inline images. So let's head over into our styles and we can see our immediate image styling here. We're going to actually go inside of here and target the image, and we'll want to use an object fit of cover, and then we'll set a min width of 100% as well as a min height of 100%. So now we can see our image scaled to fit the available height. And we can head back over into our markup and we can actually add a few more of these, and we can see it grow with that content. Then we can actually also remove some of these and get back down to where our content is smaller than the height, and we can see the image height is still preserved here.